Welcome to this edition of the Inform's Editor's Cut, focusing on freight transportation. My name is Alan Erera, and along with my colleague Martin Savelsbergh, we will introduce this Editor's Cut to you. Both Martin and I are professors in the H. Milton Stewart School of Industrial and Systems Engineering here at the Georgia Institute of Technology. And both of us have devoted a large part of our research careers to addressing problems arising in the optimization of transportation and logistics systems, and in particular freight transportation systems. The field of operations research and management science and members of the Informed Professional Society and its predecessors have played an active and important role in freight transportation research for decades, and that role is only likely to expand going forward. Freight transportation systems play a critical role in society, serving as an analog of the human body's circulatory system, moving the goods produced by today's often global supply chain systems. Supply chain systems are a key enabler of our modern economic system and are designed to allow the goods that sustain and enrich society to be produced efficiently and transported to consumers all over the world. Supply chains, in turn, rely heavily on efficient and effective freight transportation systems. Freight systems include both the long-haul transport systems that are designed to move freight between industrial supply chain facilities, by ocean vessels, aircraft, freight railroads, and trucks, and also the so-called last-mile delivery systems that provide freight connections with retail outlets, and increasingly directly to consumers at their homes, at their places of work, or at other convenient locations. Operations research and analytics is a key enabler of effective freight transportation systems today, and researchers in these fields are helping to build the capability for these systems to deploy their resources both efficiently and sustainably to meet demands. The ongoing revolution in communication and information technology has provided an amazingly rich data set and data environment within which to provide planning and control decision support for freight systems. And today, approaches that can effectively manage significant data uncertainty and/or dynamism are especially important.
We are therefore pleased to bring you this edition of the Editor's Cut on freight transportation, especially because it's a very exciting time for anyone interested in transportation. With companies like Amazon constantly seeking to enhance the experience of online shoppers and aiming to provide near instant gratification with very short delivery times, the last mile transportation environment especially has given rise to many truly exciting and novel transportation research problems. At the same time, companies like Uber are entering the freight transportation space and spearheading the influence of the so-called sharing economy on transportation. And then there are the technological advances related to autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars and trucks and aerial drones, which are promising to provide new ways to deliver consumer goods and have the potential to revolutionize freight transportation. For this Editor's Cut, we are bringing together a wide variety of resources that will interest those who want to learn more about freight transportation. We provide research articles focused on the challenges in the design, planning, and control of the critical freight transportation modes: road, rail, and ocean. We provide links to visions and analysis by companies pushing the boundaries of freight transportation. We point to websites of government organizations responsible for providing regulatory oversight to transportation systems, both in the US and Europe. And we highlight research examples in the freight transportation area that have been recognized by Informs as achievements that demonstrate the tremendous value analytics and operations research projects can bring to organizations. All in all, we've brought together material that will highlight the impactful transportation research that has been conducted in the past and will focus your attention on what's exciting and innovative in transportation research today. Freight transportation has and will remain an area where operations researchers and analytics professionals have a chance to drive innovation and improve our society and quality of life. We hope you enjoy this Editor's Cut.